Galactic Federation of Light Update, June 28, 2016. 11 Khan, 17 Kayab, 12 Manik. Dratzo. Something wonderful is getting ready to happen. The millennia-old world of the Dark Cabal is falling apart. The vote to exit Britain from the European Union is a visible part of what is occurring around this world. The Dark has been reeling in secret for the past few months as the ones who desire a new realm to be put together have constructed agreements and organizations to bring in the new. This has forged a new global reset of the world's currencies, which are to be backed universally with gold or silver. The Dark's stock markets and bourses are dropping in value as these new financial instruments, such as CIPS, BRICS, and AAIB, take effect. These are to replace old organizations like SWIFT and the IMF. The time for a formal reckoning has come at last. Soon, you are to see the core of the leadership of the old financial and government systems publicly arrested and sent off to a well-deserved isolation. In this mode, they can no longer interfere with, or in some odd way, delay, this new system as it globally comes to the fore. This, marvelously, is just the beginning of even more events that are destined to radically reshape your realm. These things require new governance. Decades ago, Nasara was born and sequestered until the world was truly prepared to transform. The new banking system needs a series of welcome regulations to be ready to change for the better. This structure needs, as well, a new international means to conduct its daily business and freely transfer vast sums from one part of this reality to another. This structure is CIPS, Cross-Borders Interbank Payment System. It is now intermingling with SWIFT to offer an international system designed to end the gross interferences of the past that caused unnecessary delays and questionable stalling of larger financial transactions. The new organization, to replace the post-war IMF, is to be both the BRICS Group and the AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. In this way, the onerous loans formerly forced on the world by the IMF can at last be corrected. These things are, in reality, a beginning for establishing a financial system by which prosperity is spread internationally and new governance can pop up like wildflowers. This prosperity is to be accomplished in a number of ways. The most important is the benefit accrued by those who have spent time in preparing for the coming of this new currency re-evaluation. It is also to be spread by ending the great burdens that governments and banks have imposed on the peoples of the world's various nations. These odd taxes, loans, and impositions are to be both lifted and repaid by many governments and banks. In addition, all the odd fees long used by banks are either to be dispensed with or limited to more sensible transactions. You are shortly to live in a realm that freely allows you to administer and use those monies that you are to possess. Take this time to learn about the power created by money and, at the same time, see how a number of formerly hidden technologies are capable of doing away with the old need for any form of money. This lesson is one that we feel your growing consciousness is to freely impart. With your new prosperity, you are to see how a differently structured society can be created. This new realm is to be the transition between a world filled with limited resources and one based upon endless possibilities. This new transitional reality is to receive the much-needed lessons of the Ascended Masters, and be one in which the beginnings of a massive first contact with us becomes a wondrous reality. These events are required before we can move you into the time of the mentors. The mentors are allied with your medical teams to provide an individual dossier so that each individual starts with a level playing field. You are in this process to be readied for what lies ahead, the Crystal Light Chamber. The ultimate goal of this operation is to return you to being a fully conscious galactic human. In doing so, the rash procedures of the Atlanteans are to be corrected, and all the peoples of this grand orb are to be reunited. Once this is accomplished, you are to be quickly trained in appropriate etiquette, and swiftly allowed to come together and forge your new star nation. A marvelous destiny lies ahead. Blessings. We are your Ascended Masters. You have just heard what the Chinese elders and royals, along with their partners in Western Europe, are accomplishing. These many amenities planned for your globe by our sacred associates are just the beginning of how heaven is working with us to forge a new, better reality for you. The Dark Cabal long controlled this reality and deeply wished to overextend its limited mandate and make this what heaven had strictly forbidden. With your help, we have produced a new plan that is one that heaven dearly intended for you to have. We are winning with this plan and intend to start manifesting the first stages of this wondrous vision. This is a time to see how our joint partnership is to blossom, filled with the grace and humility that are to be the signature of this new era for Gaia's humanity. May your continuing love and light bring to all the very beginnings of a new time for your growing freedom and prosperity. As this love and light increases, it opens the way for you to grow in consciousness and to feel how each of you is truly related to the other. This growing community of light can accomplish miracles. You are to use your formerly sequestered technology to fulfill the noble goals of heaven. You used to ignore the natural ebb and flow of this sacred orb, and it is now to be your true driving force, as you transform the vast pollution of this world and restore all ecosystems to life. You are to do this divine work with joy and demonstrate what heaven knew. You are in reality a sacred and loving people. The ravages of the past are to be corrected, and the guardianship that you long failed to accept is to be taken on with a sacred compassion. This is to be combined with those concepts that we ascended masters are shortly to teach you. All of this is to demonstrate that your magnificence is to show through. Ever since you first heard our messages and then longed to be able to follow them, you have been at the mercy of the Dark Ones. These unrequited souls are being readied by our associates to no longer be able to cause you harm. Be just and kind to these new developments. Understand that you are in the midst of a transition that is to change you undeniably for the better. Leave all the needed details to heaven. Let the fate of the Dark Ones be in the loving hands of those who know who they truly are. Look only positively upon what so graciously is given you. Numerous amazing events are happening. Rejoice at this, and use your new abilities to produce what heaven so divinely desires. We are all together and on the sacred path so beautifully decreed by heaven. Hosanna! 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 Today, in this report, you have seen just how close we all are to the start of a new and transformed reality. Be kind to yourself and inwardly seek out how you can best contribute to these new times. This is to be a period of truly wondrous miracles. Know, dear ones, that the countless supply and never-ending prosperity of heaven are indeed yours. So be it. Selamat Gajan. Selamat Ya, Syrian for be one. And be in joy. Channeled by Sheldon Neidl. www.paoweb.com